The Acer Portable Monitor PM161Q is a popular choice for professionals and students who need a secondary screen on the go. It's designed for portability and simplicity, though it has some specific hardware requirements you should know before buying. Feature details: display, size 15.6-inch resolution, Full HD, 1920/1080. Panel type, IPS, provides 170-degree wide viewing angles. Refresh rate, 60 Hz brightness, 250 nits weight, 0.97 kg, very lightweight. Thickness, 2 cm. The one-cable setup. The standout feature of the PM161Q is that it uses a USB Type-C port for both power and video signal. The catch: your laptop or device must have a USB-C port that supports DisplayPort Alt Mode, DisplayPort Alternate Mode. If your USB-C port is data only, the monitor will not turn on. Pros and cons. Pros: extreme portability. It's thin enough to slide into a standard laptop bag alongside your computer. Anti-glare. The matte finish helps significantly if you are working in a coffee shop or bright office. Build quality. While mostly plastic, it feels sturdy and includes a built-in kickstand that adjusts from 15° to 35°. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Cons: no internal battery. It draws power directly from your laptop, which will drain your laptop's battery faster. Limited connectivity. It lacks an HDMI port, so you cannot easily connect gaming consoles or older laptops without a specialized adapter. Modest brightness. 250 nits is fine for indoors, but you may struggle to see the screen clearly in direct sunlight. Best use cases: mobile office, spreading out spreadsheets or keeping Slack/email open while traveling. Presentations, flipping the monitor toward a client during a one-on-one meeting. Coding, having documentation on one screen and your IDE on the other. Portable and versatile. Enjoy outstanding portability with the ultra-light, ultra-slim PM1 series monitor. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Compact and lightweight, it easily slips into bags, accompanies you anywhere, and is perfect as a secondary display for presentations or work on the go. Vibrant images, crisp, true-to-life colors come alive in Full HD 1080p resolution. Movies and games appear more real and dramatic, and small details and text are clear with 1920x1080 resolution in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Single cable simplicity. Declutter your life and keep things simple with this single cable solution. One USB-C cable hooks up your PM1 display to a laptop, sharing your display and transferring data while also supplying power. With this super handy cable, you can also connect to your smartphone or tablet. Wide viewing angles. Share what's on your screen with family and friends as colors stay true at wide viewing angles of up to 178 degrees thanks to IPS panel technology. "100Hz flicker-free PM1 provides a comfortable and immersive viewing experience at a refresh rate of 100 frames per second for reduced flickering and a smoother, more responsive experience." Visa-mountable, featuring a versatile kickstand for easy viewing, which easily doubles as a Visa-compatible mount. Position the monitor your way and optimize your workspace. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.